Hi, my name's Jon Kingsford. I'm the Manager of Regional Projects for Hawke's Bay Regional Council. My role is to lead a team of project managers delivering capital projects associated with Hawke's Bay's flood control infrastructure. I'm also leading the rapid rebuild team that is responsible for fixing breaches and weakened stop banks as a result of Cyclone Gabriel. I'm happy to say that within the next week we should have completed all of our breach repairs on the Tutakuri River and also the Narororo River, which is a pretty big milestone 3 months post-cyclone. We've had a few questions about how we go about making these repairs. Largely we take gravels from the river beaches near the breach site to build the core of the stop bank. We'll then cap it with either silt and or clay to create a more impermeable layer. We'll then topsoil over the top of that and then grass it. That grass is really important to make sure that those layers bind together and resist any flow of river across that surface. We're here at the Tutakuri River next to our Oamaranui breach sites. That, I'm pleased to say, is fully completed, including grassing, and that grass has started to grow nicely. It is one of our last breaches to be repaired on the Tutakuri River. As well as our crews working on the Narororo and Tutakuri rivers, we also have 5 pods of contractors and consultants working in the central Hawke's Bay rivers, repairing breaches as they go. So now that our crews are nearing the completion of our breach repairs, they're going to move on to the repair of scour and erosion sites that are largely associated with the land side of our stop bank. So while the really hard work's done and we've closed all the big holes in our stop banks, there's still quite a bit of work to do to ensure that our stop banks are back to full strength. We envisage that repairing those scour and erosion sites is about 2 or 3 months worth of work from here. We've been really lucky to have had some fantastic support from our local contractors and consultants. We've also had consultants come in from further afield to support this work. We really couldn't have done it as quickly as we have with the quality that we've produced without the hard work of these people. So we're really grateful for that. Our team has also been closely supported by the internal teams within Hawke's Bay Regional Council that have enabled us to get the hard mahi done.